Got these Microtech III controllers. How you go into service mode? So you're gonna go to the top here where it says enter password. Just like that. The password's gonna be 6363. Put that in. Once you finish putting it in, click select. Put in a manual control. Change it from normal to manual control. That's going to shut everything off, and that's normal. You can go to manually turn things on. Start with the supply fan. It's basically your blower on this RTU. I just start about 40% or so. You can manually turn on compressors. Compressor 1 is tripped on this one. You should hear them come on. Turn on condenser fan, seat fan. That's going to be condenser fan. If you're done testing, go back to manual control. Change from manual to normal. Now shut everything off again. Again, that's normal. Doesn't mean there's a problem, but it's important to go back to control mode. Switch it back to the BMS if it's got a BMS. Otherwise, you want to select the appropriate setting. Otherwise, it's just going to remain in off mode and it's not going to run here. Then go back to quick menu, verify your supply blower should be starting to ramp up here if it's got a VFD, and you're good to go.